Hi, welcome back to my channel, Scale Model Kit Review. Since this is National Eclipse Day, let's look at the Billiken The Saucer Man. Please pause the video. Only a small percentage of you subscribe to my channel. Subscribing to my channel really helps me out. And while you're at it, smash that like button. Now let's get on with the show. Welcome back to Scale Model Kit Review Studio, and welcome back to National Eclipse Day here in the USA. I thought I'd commemorate this event for April 8th, 2024 with a short video on a kit review for the Billiken The Saucer Man. Now, if you plan on looking at the eclipse, make sure you have specially designed glasses or look at some of the other alternatives. Regular sunglasses will not work. So, without further ado, let's look at this kit. This is a vinyl kit that was released back in 1986 in Japan by Billiken. And my kit did not come boxed, but it is brand new and it is not a recast or anything like that. It's original. It just was sold without a box. You have the original decal here that would go on the box. And we have the instructions here. The instructions are very simple. If you've never built vinyl kits before, it tells you how to handle these. They're best cut and prepared in warm hot water, and that way you can get a good fit of these. But here's the instructions. It's basically just a one-pager, as you can see. And you see here, produced in Japan by Billiken Shokai, and nothing on the back. So let's go ahead and take these out of the box, or out of the plastic per se, and get a quick look. And here are all the parts contained within the kit. We have the big alien head here, of course. We have the alternative head, bald-headed dude there, and the body, right, cartoonish type figure here with the torso, neck, the hands, arms, and the feet. Let's get a closer view of these. And here's the torso. Great detail there. Like I said, it is vinyl. And both the arms. A lot of people fill their vinyl kits. You could use a 2-part epoxy resin, or you can use a plaster of Paris to fill them. Lower torso, legs. Once again, has a little mold release on it. The neck and collar area, very nice. And the shoes, and this is where they are marked. Right there, Billiken. Very nice. The hands with the eyeball on there, right? It looks like an eyeball. That's very cool. And the next one. Very nice. And the alternative head, a humanoid head. Kind of balding there. Reminds me of a couple of scale modelers out there. You can fill in the blank if you like. And lastly, the alien head. Very detailed there, very cool. There you go. That was a review of the Saucerman by Billiken, 1986 release, all vinyl kit. And there is a fantastic video out there of a gentleman who built this up and did a custom work with it, and I was very impressed with that. So I'll put a link in the description below for that video. With that, be safe on National Eclipse Day, and happy modeling.